So you went 83-0. All right. So, blue, you need to win this one or you're done. Okay. Red. You're good? You're good? You're both good? All right, this could be the last match of the day. Finals number 2. 3, 2, 1, go. Lots of clicking going on over there. Red gets the autonomous again. 3, 2, 1, go. Doodle-doo-doo. Doodle-doo. Go. Go. All right. 1:45 left in this day. Unless blue comes back. $60X methodically picking up cones and putting them on their base. Here they go back with 4 cones on the base, trying to get it into the 20. And they have it. DiscoBot K putting in their 3rd base in the 10. Only 1 base left for red. 55 seconds left to go. I have a feeling that 60X is going to try to max this out. He's been anxious to try to break that 100 points all day. Counting down to the 30-second bonus. $17 seconds left to go. The cone is not going over the base. 9 seconds to go. And up and over it goes for red with 3, 2, 1. And that'll do it. Blue does end up scoring a 20 and 210. But I believe we do have a champion for this year's In the Disco Zone. That would be our #1 seed Alliance team.